Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to give you just a little bit of a heads up before you guys get your E-Club kits for December. I know they have been mailed out, so hopefully you'll be getting them this week. So when you get your kit, you're going to have 2 pieces of paper, very heavy cardstock, that are printed on like this. These are templates. I had a lot of people who asked, could I send the PDFs in the kits? I can't send a PDF, I can send a link, but I can send a template. I can print them out and send the template like this, and then all you would have to do is just cut it out, trim it out, and use it that way. As you can see, this one's going to be a snow globe, so we're going to make a snow globe. Now you can make this 2 or 3 different ways. What we're going to do is use these to make a little snow globe album. So you've got those, and then this one is a little house. I got this inspiration from Echo Park, and that is who our paper collection is from this month. But I saw on their website where they had done a little house album for Christmas, and it was so cute, and I thought we would do one of those. So you have this template in there as well. This is for the front and the back, and then this is for the pages. And then you have enough left down here at the bottom that you can do the attachment like I'll show you. But I also included a piece of chipboard that you'll need for your outside pieces, the front and the back on your album. So you get a piece of chipboard. Let's see if I have one here. I don't think I have one right here because I've already cut mine out. But anyway, you'll get a piece of chipboard like this. It's 8.5 by 11. And if you lay these on there, I'll tell you what, let me get a piece of chipboard. Okay, so you're going to get one of our pieces of chipboard like this. And if you lay these on here like this, let me show you. I think that's the way that one will go. And then here is the house. Yeah, if you lay them on there like that, this one going up this way and this one going this way, then you'll have all of this chipboard over here that will be left. We will use that for our little attachment where we attach the album, the front and the back together, and attach the pages in. So try to make sure that you lay it like that. You can see this one's laying here. Put them right up to the edge so you can use every bit of that chipboard. And then you'll have this big strip here that you can use for the attachments for the pages and all that. Okay, so that's just one thing that I wanted to show you. Now for this little album, we're just going to use regular paper. I sent in your kit lots of paper. You got quite a few sheets of the white, and this is a very, very heavy cardstock. This will make great pages for our little album. They'll hold up well. So I sent quite a few sheets of that in your kit. And then you got some red in your kit and some brown in your kit. And we'll use that for the bases of this. So that is what I wanted to tell you on that part. Now, for any of you who are not subscribed to the E-Club kit, I cannot give you these templates. The reason being is these templates, these PDFs and SVGs are part of our kit club. So the money that they pay, our members pay for their kit, it includes these templates. But if you want one of the templates, you can email me. My email is always below, and I can tell you, about what I would charge for the templates. I have these saved as a PDF and an SVG. So you can upload these into your Cricut or your cutting machine if you want to and cut them out that way. Or you can just print them out on a piece of paper and then trim them out like I'll show you in a few minutes, like I did on these. So either way, but like I said, these are only for the people who get the kit clubs, or if you want one and you're not in the E-Club kit, then I would have to charge you for it. But we do still have, let's see, I want to look over there. I think we still have 7 kits left for December. If you want a kit, go to the link below, go over and grab it. When I put this up, they usually will go very, very quickly. I try to give extra paper extra templates, extra PDFs, extra projects. I try to come up with as many projects as I can for the month to show you how to use the different products in your kit. I try to do everything that I can to make sure that you get your money's worth out of these kits. I am not a big company. I don't make my own products. I have to buy my products through a second party. I don't buy them directly from the manufacturer because I am not a big company. I can't buy them directly from the manufacturer. So I buy them from a second party, which is a wholesale house, and I end up paying a little bit more for my product than somebody like Echo Park, who owns their own company, who is large and can make their own product like they did here. This is the paper pad that we get in this kit. They make their own products, so they can put lots and lots more in the kits than I can, because I'm just a small little company, family owned, family operated. And we have to buy ours through a wholesale house. So the wholesale price that I pay for these is probably twice what Echo Park actually buys these for, or has these made for. But anyway, I just wanted to throw that in there. But if you want one of these kits, like I said, I think I have 7 left, and you're welcome to go over and grab them. And then you would have free access to all of these files and all the projects that I make with this kit. Now, this is the paper collection. It's very, very cute. I love this. This is from Echo Park, and it is My Favorite Winter. That's the name of it. So it's 24 double-sided papers, and I'll flip through these real quickly. Isn't that cute? These are going to make beautiful albums. I love the colors in this. It's not your typical reds and greens, but I think blue and white is a very pretty color for Christmas. And then we tried to match up the red paper, and I'm calling it red, and it could be a little bit more burgundy, but we tried to match up the red paper with these little red snowflakes in here, so hopefully we got really close. Sometimes it's hard to match it up when all you do is see the picture on the screen, but you can see it kind of matches the little snowman's head. So these are the papers. I think they're so cute. And they're very, very thick. As you can see, I'm having a hard time even folding them over. This thick paper. Very nicely made. And then I think it starts over, with everything again. But that's the paper pad. And then, of course, you do get the chipboard stickers. You get a full sheet of these. And then there's that little snow globe. We're going to try to mimic that snow globe, only making it a little bit larger and making it into a little album. And then we'll use some of these stickers and things in our album. And then I also included, since I cut out that front part of the little snow globe, since I gave you the template that cuts that out, I included some 3D tape. Now, I was going to give you a whole roll of this tape. I wanted to give you a whole roll, but they didn't send me enough. They shorted me on it. As usual, sometimes these wholesale houses, they only have a certain amount, and I usually buy them out when I see something on there that I want to go in the kit. So I bought them out on these. I didn't have enough to give, the rolls were about that big. I didn't have enough to give everybody a full roll, but we put 4 large strips. The strips are, I think they're about, let's see. These strips are about 8.5 inches. So you've got 4 8.5-inch strips of this. And to do these little snow globes, I cut this in small sections, because you can see you only have a small area to put that dimensional tape. And this is that foam tape on the back here. So I cut it in little strips, and I put it on there, and then I cut another little strip and put it on top, depending on how much dimension you want on your little snow globe. So I included enough of that to do probably 2 or 3 of these, even more. And then you can still use some on your albums. So we're going to use that. And then this is the May stamp set that comes in this kit. Now, let me tell you this while I'm on here. I did post on the group, and if you're an eClub member and you're not a member of the eClub group, that link is directly below. Make sure that you go over there and join, because any kind of updates or any questions that I have, anything like that, I always post them over there. so that all of our members have access to, give me feedback on different things. And I've got a lot of questions over there for the coming year that I'd like your feedback on. But this will be the last Maymay stamp set that we'll have in our kits. That is not my choice. Maymay messaged me and said that the girl that did these, Maymay don't actually do these. She approves them, but she had another girl hired that actually set all of these stamps up and made the little template for her to approve. But the girl that did all this for them has now quit, so they're trying to train another girl, but she said that they just weren't going to be able to keep up with all of their stamps that they make for themselves each month, and then the ones that I needed for kits. So this will be the last Maymay stamp set that will be in our kits, but don't fret, because this is the most expensive thing that we put in our kits. So we're going to take that money that we spend on these stamps, we're going to go in there and we're going to buy more product to include in your kits. So you're still going to get plenty of product. It's just that these stamps will not be in there. You may get a stamp in your kit once in a while, but it won't be the Maymay stamp. I know that may disappoint some people, and I really hate it, but like I said, it wasn't my choice. It's just that she's not going to be able to keep up with it, and she's not going to be able to provide us with the stamps that we need. We get like 100 a month from her, and then she has her own stamp clubs that she has to do. So her stamp clubs and her stamps come first, and I am totally okay with that. Anyway, you will not get the stamp starting in 2020, but you will get lots of product to replace this. It may be dies, it may be stamps and dies, it may be, lots and lots of different things. With us taking this out, there's like $7 more that we can put into the kit that where we can buy other products and hopefully build your stash on different things that you need your stash built up on. Lots of people that take these kits are just now starting out on kit clubs and crafts and that kind of thing. So we're hoping that we can put other things in the kit to replace this, that you're going to be able to build up your stash. So you will get something in your kit each month that will be a stash builder. It may be stickles, it may be stamps, it may be dies, it may be, who knows, just there's tons of possibilities out there. But I wanted to let you know that. And then you get a piece of acetate that is plenty big enough to do this part of the shaker card. And I'm going to make the front of my album a shaker. Now, if you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just cut your regular piece out here. Don't cut a window out, and just use this for the front of your album. But I'm going to make the front of my album a shaker, so I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it behind there. So you've got plenty of acrylic to include here. As a matter of fact, you may even have enough for 2 of these. But we put acrylic in there, and this is our heavy acrylic. It's not thin, so it'll hold up very well. And then of course you get your bag full of embellishments. It has sequins in there, it has bling, and it has ephemera, so there's a bag with that. And then, of course, your bag that you get each month to keep all your supplies in and keep all your monthly kits together. So this will be our December kit. So I'm looking forward to 2020 and the January kit. We've already started purchasing items for that. Hopefully they'll be rolling in here before long, and we'll be able to get those out on January 6th. Like I said, if you want one of these kits, the link will be directly below. And in purchasing these kits, you automatically get a link to all of these templates, SVGs, and PDF files that I create, as well as links to the videos and everything where I show exactly how to do all of this. So, because there's a little bit of a twist in some of these, and I didn't put it on the template, but it will be on the video when I show how to put these together. All right, that's what I wanted to show you on this, the December kit. And then I wanted to let you know about the stamp set. I wanted to let you know that come January, look for more product and at least one stash builder each month. So each month you'll get at least one stash builder. It could be, some months could be two. It just depends on what we find out there that we feel like that you would like to have to build up your stash. Sometimes we might even include a Tim Holtz ruler. I love these. I know there's lots of people out there who already have one of these, but then there's some of our members who don't have these and who would like one. So some months we may include the Tim Holtz ruler. We may include the T-square ruler that I use constantly to get all of my letters and everything straight. There's just tons of possibilities of things that we can include in the kits. Make sure that you are already a member of the eClub Kit members room on Facebook. That link will be directly below. That's where I will be giving any kind of updates, anything that I need to share with you. That's where I post it, because every time I have something to update, I can't come on here and tell you every time it's a little bitty thing. So I always try to put it over there in the group. And then, like I said, there are 3 questions that I need answered very, very soon over there that will help me prepare for 2020, because we have to order this product at least a month, sometimes a month and a half ahead of time in order to get them out to you on the 6th. So make sure that you go over there if you're an eClub Kit member and answer those questions. And then tomorrow we will get started on building our little house, our mini album. So these are really cute. I'm going to put mine on my coffee table. I'm going to put pictures of the grandkids and everything in there, put mine on my coffee table so that at Christmas, when I have my Christmas company, they'll be able to view those photos, and the grandkids love looking at those little albums. So all right, I think that is all I have to share with you right this minute. Like I said, if you want one of these kits, go down and click that link. You can join and cancel at any time. There's no total commitment where you have to commit 6 months or a year or anything like that. You can join and then you can cancel. You can join, you can cancel. Any way that you want to like that. We hope that you won't cancel, but if you need to, we totally understand. So we will talk to you guys later when we start. Hopefully we'll be back either this afternoon with the first part of this little mini album kit, or we will be back tomorrow with it. Just depends on how everything starts coming together. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for your support in 2019. We appreciate you guys so very much. I'll never be able to tell you how much we appreciate you and how much I love each and every one of you. And let me just go ahead and tell you now to have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. And if you're traveling, please be safe. And we will talk to you again tomorrow or this afternoon. Who knows when we'll get this up. Bye-bye.